Hi, this is Chris24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Wyze Light Strip Pro. This has 16.4 feet of lighting. It has multi-segment control. It can attach to your voice assistants such as the Amazon and Google Voice Assistant, as well as IFTTT. Here's your control panel here. You can plug this device into your computer, and it has Wi-Fi Bluetooth mode, as well as a sensor that you can plug in as well. All of the functions of these lights are, you can sync it to music. As you saw, it was syncing to my voice. Has advanced lighting effects in the app from Wyze, 16 million colors. Has tunable white, so you can do a cool white or you can do a warm white. It has timer options, schedules, automations. You can do group devices together. It's trimmable, so you can actually trim these lights in certain spots on the cord. Has vacation mode, sun matching mode, so when the sun sets or sun rises, it can set to that. It works with the Wyze app, which I mentioned before. It has a sleep routine that you can set it to, and multiple color options. So the Wyze app does a lot to connecting this to your network and to setting it up for your voice assistants. I really like how these look. They react immediately to sound input, and you can adjust them on your iPhone or Android devices. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.